Sanibonani bafethu, thina sivuka ekuseni sibuye shaye isandi funa bengathandi sayitshintsha le mpilo hayi noma bengathandi sayitshintsha le mpilo hayi noma bengathandi. Ekuseni bafethu today the word of motivation ukuthi never give up, phusha noma kunzima mfethu, uyangithanda. It's either intombazana or out, whatever you're doing in your life, keep on doing it. One day is gonna pay. One day is gonna change your life. Persistence and consistency is very important. And always be ambitious in whatever that you're doing. Umdala unawe. Akekho umuntu angavala into umdala akubekele yona. Noba ngazonda bathini but akekho umuntu angavala into umdala akubekele yona. Izofikela kuwe.